An essential item supporting the safety of toddlers, babies and infants in any childcare facility is an emergency evacuation cot. These cots are specially designed to provide a safe space for these occupants during emergency situations that require evacuation or relocation, such as fires or floods. An ideal evacuation cot should have certain features to ensure their safety. These features may include a drop side for easy access, a mattress that is manufactured to comply with safety requirements, and a sturdy frame design. Its wheels and legs should be able to withstand heavy-duty use and be lockable for easy movement or placement across uneven ground. Additionally, the cot could be compact in design to save space in the room or better navigate turning circles and emergency exit passages. The height of the unit should be suitable for caregivers to easily access and attend to the occupants. The railings should also be sturdy and secure, with no gaps or spaces that could pose a risk of entrapment or injury. Carers should avoid placement of any additional pillows or blankets inside the cot that may pose an accidental suffocation risk. The cots should be fitted so that occupants can be positioned correctly and securely, ensuring that their head and body are properly supported and away from the hard edges. Other features within the unit should include secure fasteners, such as adjustable straps or buckles, to keep the occupants in place. Measures and controls should also be in place so that carers avoid over-tightening the straps to ensure comfort, breathing and safe mobility. These are a few of the considerations when selecting evacuation cots for emergency situations. For more information and training on the use of this and other childcare emergency equipment, please review our extensive knowledge base at firewarden.training.